Yo! Hello everybody, we're back at it again. We are flying the drone. We got the iPhone SE. Let's see what it do. Let's take off. We're at this lovely park. It is the end of... How is that possible? I'm out of the grid. Entering this area and automatically turn. Okay, that can't be good. I'm out of the stupid... I'm out of the zone, so I don't get it. Alright, let's just take it up. Let's see what happens, alright? Alright. Again, this freaking day getting here. My gimbal stuck again. Oh yeah, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing an iPad giveaway, so please subscribe. Alright, let's take it out. Quick shots, I swear. Father God, please bless my drone and come home, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Quick shots would be quick shots. And excuse the sweat. It's the end of November and it's 90 degrees outside. You gotta love Arizona life. Let's see what we're gonna try first. Alright, so this is the droney. I don't want the droney to hit something, so let's turn it around. Anyway, gotta go the other way. Still not even used to this thing. Alright. Get in position. Alright, let's check it out. Hopefully it goes over the tree, because it's headed right towards the tree. Is it going to hit the tree? Is it going to hit the tree? It's going to hit the... Alright, it was going to hit the tree, you guys. Look at, there's a tree. Look at it. It was going to hit that tree. Let's bring it back and try it again. Oh my gosh, it's so sunny. It feels good, but it's so mild. It feels so good though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, let's try to get it away from the tree. Okay, this way. Alright, let's get it. Let's try that again. Whoops. That might help. Alright, let's try that. Alright, it looks pretty clear. I was very wary flying this because I'm outside of the warning thing, but just outside of it, but not enough, I guess. That was 120 feet? Jeez, look how smooth it's coming back. Wow, that's pretty slick. But you can stop now. Alright, let's try it. Let's try this one. Jeez, it got way up there. Look how smooth it comes down though, that's dope. Is it gonna land on me? Oh, look at that pan. Oh, that pan though. Okay, we'll just wait until that goes away. Okay though, I'm not doing nothing too crazy, I'm not going too high. Alright. Let's try to circle the circle. Can we not? Oh, I guess the circle doesn't change. That sucks. Oh, that's all it does? It just does that. Let's go higher. That should be dope. Oh my goodness. What? Okay. Just gotta make sure I don't do nothing too crazy. Come on. There we go. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's probably as high as I can take it. There we go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's as high as it'll go. Alright. Almost done, you guys, okay? Let's just hope to God. Okay, there it goes. Scary. Scary. Scary, scary, scary. Oh my God. That's not scary at all. Oh, that's not scary at all. Oh my God, where's he going? No, no. Okay, there it goes. Scary. Scary. Scary, scary, scary. Oh my God. That's not scary at all. Oh, that's not scary at all. Oh my God, where's he going? No, no. Dude, it was gonna hit the pole. It was gonna, look at this pole. Where is it? It was gonna hit this pole. Dude. Dude, that was scary. Alright, let's hit record so we could check out some of this Krispy Kreme footage. I gotta bring it back home or what? Yep. Nope. My God, I can't see. I can't see. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, that was super scary. Oh, that was scary. Yo! Alright, now we're recording. Let's bring it back because I can hear the wind. Oh, that was scary. As you can tell, I don't like taking my drone out. I crashed it once. Alright. Let's just whip it around. Alright. Position mode. Let's put in sports mode. Alright. Let's go ham. I'm just going to be looking at the drone, so I'm not going to be looking at the camera. Look at doing my own following. Oh. I was. Oh, this is fun. I don't want to take it up high because the wind's coming plus the airplanes, so I'll just keep it low for the sake of everybody in society around me. This thing is so fun. Look at this. It's coming after me. Look, it's coming. Yeah. Dang, these things are fun. Oh, there's the airplane. Bringing it back down. Oh, my AirPods. For the sake of everybody, what anxiety. What anxiety. I don't know what happened to my camera, but it stopped. So we're continue going, alright? Yo, continue going. Oh my god, these airplanes are really low. Look at, where is it? There's the sun. Anyway, it's not dangerous at all. Whoa, it gets there quick. Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. I don't want to get in trouble. I surely don't want to hit a low flying airplane because dang, they are super low. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll be doing an iPad giveaway, you guys. Not a drone giveaway, an iPad giveaway. I know some of you guys are confused, like, what? But, geez, you know, that's actually a really good idea, doing a drone giveaway. But we shall see, because I was thinking about the iPad, but, oh my god. You guys just subscribe if you haven't already. Please hit the alerts buttons, because when we do the giveaway, you guys will know. How would you not know if you guys don't hit the alert buttons? The alert button. And that's pretty much it. The comment section, please comment below if this is something you like, or if you have any suggestions on any other videos, please leave a comment. I respond to all the comments, even the hateful ones. And that's pretty much it. We'll see you guys on next time. Peace, love, and happiness. Goodbye.